Hello, good morning. How are you all? I am fine. Today we are going to learn about the importance of English. Why we should learn English? Or nowadays, if you see, everyone wants to learn English. Even around you, you may find so many English medium schools. Why? Because they feel that their children should know English. Now, why one should know English? Very simple it is. First of all, English is a world language. It is a global language. All over the world, you can see people speaking English, or they learn English either as first language or as the second language. Since it is a global language, English attracts us. Second thing is, we are knowing today how the world is coming closer and closer because of science and technology. You are having multinational companies. Our children are working in the multinational companies. How is it possible? Because of English. English is an international language. All over the world, people can understand English. And that is why to work in a multinational companies, either inside the country or even outside the country, it has become easier because of English. Because of English. And if I come to India, you are knowing in India we are having more than 22 languages and other dialects different. So suppose if I go to another state, suppose if I go to Kerala, I don't know their language Malayalam and they don't know my language. Then I can communicate in English. So even inside the country as well, when you travel to different places, especially when you go to northeastern countries, northeastern states, English helps you a lot there. Because when I went there, I saw that many people there were not knowing even Hindi, but they were knowing English. Even the sellers on the roadside, they were able to speak English. That is why even inside the country, traveling becomes easier if you know English. And you are knowing, since English is a global language, it gives you or it opens up so many job opportunities to you. As I told you, not only inside the country but even outside the country as well. Since you can get a job with the knowledge of English, everyone wants to learn English. Even in business, you have to contact with so many people. Then also the language problem will be solved because of English. It is a business language. That is why a person with the knowledge of English will be considered as a hot property. Owner wants to appoint the people who know English well. Even in the business, even in the airlines, wherever you go, tourism companies, even in the hospitals, the owner prefers the people, those who know English, because he can communicate with the people outside in a better way with the knowledge of English. It means English gives you job opportunities more than any other language. And mind you, English is a simple language. In all, you are having only 26 letters. You don't have anything else to learn. Only 26 letters. So it is a very simple language. Very sweet language. A language you are knowing with a comfortable tone. A language with etiquettes, a very soft spoken language. English is very simple. And it gives you fun to learn English because it is not at all difficult. And to learn English as a language is a need of the day. It is not important whether you learn it as a subject or not. Whether you go to English medium school or any medium school, even have education in your own mother tongue, but learn English as a language, as a communication language, so that you can communicate with others. So, my dear friends, to learn English is not at all difficult. Not at all difficult. Only the thing is, you should practice it. Now tell me, can you learn swimming by just reading the books? Can you learn cycling just by reading the books on cycling? No. In the same way, to learn any language for that matter, you should practice it. So practice it. Speak the language. Listen to it. Then it will be very, very easy for you. And you are knowing, to learn any language in the beginning, you need some confidence. Don't be bothered what others will tell, whether they will laugh at me. If they laugh, let them laugh. You want to learn, so go on speaking. Nobody will stop you. Your growth is guaranteed. So what is needed is practice. And why we should practice it? Because it is need of the day. English language, I am telling, it is need of the day. Everyone, for that matter, should learn to speak the language. And at least for the youngsters, since it gives you so many job opportunities, it develops you, it makes you confident. Don't you feel that you should learn English? Yes, definitely you should. Because Because of the language, you will be able to have a good growth. That is the importance of English language. And that is why we should learn it. It opens the window of the world. We can communicate to the people of the world. Hence, today all of us, we will decide that we will learn to speak English well. Am I right? Okay. Have a good day.